that's going to unlock a totally new traffic source for you on YouTube. This is Playtraffic, and in this video I'm going to show you a very brief demonstration of how it can help you get more traffic on YouTube. To get started, the first thing you see is the campaign selection screen. This is where you start your campaigns. Each campaign is to promote one channel. So I've already got a campaign here and I've already added my YouTube channel that I want to promote in this campaign. So let me just continue with this one. Click on it, click on open campaign. So this is your dashboard. This is the place you get started with. And right now my campaign is totally empty because I wanted to show you everything from scratch. So there's no data for you to see, but when you have data, you'll see graphs which will tell you exactly how your playlist promotion is working. Right now, when you click on channels, you will see that I have one channel added to this. Now, typically you might want to publish your playlist to multiple channels, same playlist to multiple channels, or playlist targeting different keywords to multiple channels, even having the videos from your main channel because you want to make a maximum impact on YouTube. So you want to publish your playlists on as many channels as you can. So you can add all the channels that you have by clicking on add channel. It's gonna authorize you on YouTube. It's gonna add your channel here and you will be able to see the number of videos that you have on the channel. You'll be able to see that channel and you'll be able to publish playlists on that channel. That's the most important bit. Let's go into more functionality. When you click on find keywords, you can actually find perfect keywords for your niche and you can create those keywords. You can create your playlist titles with those keywords. So basically this section, what it does for you is it lets you find the perfect titles to rank for no matter what keyword, what niche you're targeting. Just put in a keyword and get some related keywords by searching for it. I've got a keyword here, click on search. And now Playtraffic is searching on YouTube. It's got some results for you already. You can see these are the keywords that people are looking for on YouTube right now. These are some of the most popular keywords. And you should create playlists targeting each of these keywords. You can just click on this button and Playtraffic is going to give you a list of the videos which are ranking for this keyword. And you can include these videos in your playlist by shortlisting them. So I'm just gonna shortlist some of the videos because I want to keep reusing them. I'm going to have a lot of playlists. I'm going to have a lot of playlists featuring my videos. And because I don't want to have a playlist with just my videos because that's very spammy and YouTube won't respect that. So I want to have a playlist with my videos on the top because those are the videos that play first. When a person clicks on a playlist, the video on the top will always play. So you get that view. So all I need to do is create playlists featuring my video on the top. And inside I can put in whatever I want. I can put in more of my videos or I can put in more of other people's videos and it doesn't matter because the traffic is all generated by that first video which is always going to be mine. So I've shortlisted some videos already. I can see the stats over here. If I click on the video thumbnail, it'll take me to YouTube on a web browser and I'll be able to see what this video is all about. So I've already shortlisted some videos. And right next to find videos, you will see a button which says create playlist. So if I want to create a playlist for, let's say, funny dog videos 2017, which was last year, by the way, but I can get that done by just clicking on this button, put in a description, put in a tag because YouTube collects the description. YouTube collects the playlist tags. So you can put those in that and it's created. To see my playlist, I can go to the playlist section, click on the funny dog videos and you can see that my playlist is already there, but it's got nothing over there. What I want to do is I want to put in one of my videos. So I'm just going to put in 3-4 of my videos. Then I'm going to go into shortlisted videos section right over here, put in some shortlisted videos, random stuff. And there it is. My playlist is right over there. And to publish this playlist, I just need to go to the publish section over here. You can see my playlist is right over there. You can see the number of videos in the playlist. Click on publish now and the playlist is publishable to whatever channel you want. So if you want to publish it to this channel, for example, select that channel, publish now, and the playlist is already queued for publishing. You can see the button over here which says that it's working, and once it's published you will be able to see the playlist. Okay, so here I am inside my channel and I can see the latest published playlist updated just today is the playlist that I just created. inside Playtraffic, and it's now on YouTube. So this is how easy it is to publish playlists using Playtraffic. It's ridiculously easy, and you'll be creating playlists for every conceivable niche, every conceivable title, every conceivable keyword in just a matter of minutes. Just select the keyword that you want to work with, add the videos you want to add in just a matter of minutes. Just click on the videos that you want to add, put in some of your own videos. You can move things around. If you want to take one video to the top, it's all very easy. You can take it right to the top like I have, and you can shuffle things around. It's very flexible, it's very powerful, and everything can be done in a matter of minutes. And that's not all. You can even schedule videos. So if you want to schedule a playlist, if you want to publish a playlist at a later date, go to publish, and now you can schedule it to be published on the date and time you want. So that way, what you can do is you can set up a drip feed of playlists. You can select and publish one playlist today, publish two playlists tomorrow, one day after tomorrow, and so on, all on auto. You won't have to come back and click that publish button again. So select the time you want to publish that playlist again, select schedule, and that playlist is now scheduled for publishing. Of course, you need to select a time in the future. When you go to scheduled, you can see the playlist scheduled over here. If you want to reschedule it or delete it, you can do it right from here. Playtraffic has powerful tools for everything that you would conceivably want to do to get traffic from playlist. We've got a powerful video finder. It's going to give you access to all the videos you have. So let's say you want to find one of your own videos to put in playlist. You can do it right from inside here. And if you want to search for new videos for any keywords or any channel, if you want to get videos from a particular channel added to your playlist, you can do that. If you want to search videos for keywords, you can do that. Let's add a new keyword and search some videos. So you've got the videos over here. You can add to shortlist, give it some more variety, and you can see all your shortlisted videos here. If you want to delete any video from shortlist, you can do that. Finding keywords is not just the only way to create playlists. If you want to create a playlist with your own keyword, with your own title, come to the playlist section like this, click on create playlist, put in your own custom playlist title, your description, your tags, and start off a new playlist just then. Again, you're going to quickly add your videos to the playlist by clicking on the add to the playlist button from here, and you can add other people's videos, because again, this is a YouTube tip. This is not something that you have to do, but make sure that you put in content from a variety of different sources. You put in some really top ranking videos so that YouTube knows that this playlist is a serious playlist and it's well compiled. So you need to put in good videos inside that playlist so that your playlist will rank higher. Don't make a low quality playlist, which means don't fill the playlist with low quality videos or just videos that never rank. Even if your channel is new, even if your playlist is new and you're putting your videos on top, make sure that you put in a lot of variety inside your playlist. So again, you can do that by quickly clicking on add to playlist. You can add as many videos as you want and publish that playlist by clicking on going to the publish section and either publishing it right then or clicking on schedule. That's it. That's all you need to know to get started with playlist marketing today. But if you are lucky enough, if you're smart enough to buy our pro version, if you're smart enough to get our pro version, it's gonna unlock 2 more amazing features for you. This is only in the pro version, and the upgrade to pro version will be available to you once you have the elite version. The first thing you get is automation, so you can actually automate the entire playlist creations process. Just select the channel, select the keywords that you want to work with. I've added a couple of playlist titles, and then what you do is you create a template for playlist. So you can just click on add your video, add any video from your own collection that you want to add. When you're ready, click on add selected. Your video is right over here. And you can also add your own random videos. If you've got some random videos, if you want to add in some random videos from your own collection, click on random your video, and it's gonna add a random video from your playlist, from your own published videos from your channel in the playlist. And if you want to publish A shortlisted random video, maybe just to make sure that there is a variety in your playlist, you can click on random shortlisted video and it's gonna add a random shortlisted video to this playlist. So what's going to happen is you will effectively have a template for your playlist, and if you put in random your videos and random shortlisted videos, every time Play Traffic publishes the playlist to your channel, let's say for these keywords, it's going to pick up a random video from your own channel and replace it with the placeholder for the random your video. And for the random shortlisted video, it's gonna pick up a random video from your shortlisted videos and publish it in the playlist that you publish. So what's going to happen is every time it's going to be a completely unique playlist published to YouTube, and you can even control the time gap. So you can publish playlist with a minimum of 3 hours interval and a maximum. You can set the maximum here. So you've got 35 hours or 12 hours or whatever you want. So you can space this out. You can publish the playlist every 10 hours, at the minimum of 10 hours and maximum of 17 hours. So Play Traffic is going to pick up one time randomly between this time period and publish the playlist at that time. So what happens is you get near human mimicry behavior. So your YouTube channel is going to be safe, and you will make sure that you get the organic traffic only in a very organic manner without being spammy ever. So this is again a feature only available in Pro. Also get the manager. With the manager, what you can do is you can pick up your existing playlists from your channel. So if you've added a channel, you can quickly select the channel, your primary channel, and you can pick up any playlist and you can modify it. You can delete something from it. You can add one of your own videos to the playlist. You can add one of the shortlisted videos. And this is a way to keep your playlists current and topical. So if you manage your playlist, if you got an existing playlist to this in the software, what you can do is you can keep adding stuff to them. You can keep modifying them and make them even more amazing, so that YouTube will know that these are current and is going to rank them higher. And coming back to the dashboard, we have some data there already. So guys, Play Traffic is the most amazing playlist management and automation software. You've never seen anything like this before. And this is the only software that unlocks playlist marketing for you. So if you are a YouTube marketer and you've never done much with playlists, it's time to get started. It's time to unlock that traffic and get playlists to send you traffic to your channel at any point of time. Even if you are a new channel or even if you are an experienced channel, this strategy is going to get you more traffic than what you have today. So get started with playlist marketing, get Play Traffic Pro, and get more traffic from YouTube.